Okay, as I promised in my previous video, I'm gonna make a video on electrical troubleshooting. It's very simple. Common issues: headlights are not working, sunroof not working, fog lights are not working, turn signals not working. Basically, anything that you have on your fuse chart, and then if you don't have it, I'm gonna make a really close look so you can compare to yours, because I know sometimes it's pain in the neck to find the fuse locations. Anyhow, these fuses, they might look fine, but for example, my B5, row 5 right there, you see it's very oxidized and corroded. So if I'm going to remove it, I disconnect the battery. That fuse already, as you see, I didn't remove it, but already broke into pieces. And if I remove, the contact will be also be oxidized, you see. So good thing is to clean all the connection and replace with the new torpedo screw, not screw, fuse. They're really cheap. You can get them on Amazon. I believe I paid like $6 for this. And I'm gonna replace them all. Some of them I have a newer ones. For example, right here, the white one. Yeah, they all like, some of them, these two red ones, they're very oxidized. So I'm gonna replace them. This is 90% of the electrical issues that will happen with your car that's not working. For example, headlights, and people will go try to replace that headlight switch, because checking the fuses, they might look old, at the same time they look good, and because you guys might have a problem with that. My fog lights all of a sudden stopped working, and I say, you know what, there's the fog lights, when I mean the inner ones, we use them a lot because we wish we had a better lighting, and that helps as well. So replacing the fuses will solve 90% of the issues with the electrical stuff not working, like a sunroof, turn signals, headlights, rear defroster, radio, power seats, you name it. And I seen on the forum a lot of people are posting, says my left side is not working, my right side is not working, what can I do? But here it is, look, fuse 13, low beam left, low beam right. So at the same time, left or right side is not working, because those fuses, the 14 and 13, my good, in my case 14 looks good, but 15 looks very oxidized. It's an older fuse. So I'm gonna replace them all, and everything working on my car now, but I'm still gonna replace them with the fresh ones, and there's extra cavities here to put them as a spare for the future. So that's it. This is the very easy DIY for the weekend to do, which is also can save you a lot of headache and trouble with coming to deal with this older vehicles and don't know where to pinpoint or where to start. Thank you. Please like this video if it was helpful to you, so I can produce more content like that. Thank you.